Welcome to a light auto zone. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL680 Monogram Series is a masterclass in automotive jewelry. While it shares its silhouette with the performance-focused AMG SL680, the Maybach treatment transforms it from a track-ready athlete into a rolling statement of opulence. Here is a detailed breakdown of the exterior design of the 2026 SL680. 1. The face, a new identity. The front fascia is where the Maybach identity is most aggressive. It departs from the AMG Panamericana grille in favor of a Maybach-exclusive A-shape radiator grille. Vertical slats. The grille features fine, chrome vertical slats that sit behind an illuminated frame, making the car unmistakable at night. Engraved branding. The word Maybach is elegantly engraved into a chrome decorative strip at the top of the grille. Rose gold accents. Look closely at the digital light headlamps, and you'll see subtle rose gold inlays, a signature Maybach touch that adds a warm, high-end jewelry feel to the eyes of the car. The standing star. In a return to classic Mercedes-Benz luxury, the three-pointed star stands proud on the hood, rather than being integrated into the grille. 2. The hood. The monogram masterpiece. The most polarizing and intricate feature is the hood, which is finished in obsidian black metallic regardless of the body color. Pixel paint technology. For the first time, Mercedes used a specialized inkjet-like printing process to apply a repeating Maybach M logo pattern across the hood. Subtle contrast. The logos are printed in a graphite gray matte finish, creating a texture that mimics luxury leather goods like a Louis Vuitton bag. It is finished with a high-gloss clear coat for a seamless, mirror-like feel. 3. Profile and curated ambience. The car is launched with two specific design concepts that define its two-tone personality. Red ambiance. Obsidian black metallic over manufacture garnet red metallic. White ambiance. Obsidian black metallic over manufacture moonlight white magno matte. Brightwork. To emphasize the length of the Roadster, a heavy dose of chrome is applied to the windshield frame, the side sills, and the door handles. The soft top. Even the roof is a design piece. The acoustic insulated soft top is black but features an integrated anthracite Maybach pattern stitched directly into the fabric. 4. Wheels. Forged elegance. The SL680 sits on massive 21-inch forged wheels that are exclusive to the Maybach line. You have two primary choices. The 5-hole monoblock, a retro-futuristic solid disc design that looks incredibly heavy and prestigious. The multi-spoke, a delicate, champagne flute, design with 36 fine spokes that emphasize the car's intricate craftsmanship. 5. The rear, sophisticated width. The rear design focuses on horizontal lines to make the car look planted and wide. Maybach tailpipe trims. The exhaust tips are unique to this model, featuring a horizontal bar through the center, a classic Maybach design cue. Chrome diffuser. A brand-specific rear skirt with a dedicated chrome diffuser replaces the more aggressive carbon fiber arrow found on AMG models. Logo integration. The Maybach M emblem is subtly integrated into the LED taillight housing, ensuring the brand is visible even when the lights are on. If the exterior of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL680 is automotive jewelry, the interior is a masterclass in sensory cocooning. While the AMG version focuses on the driver's connection to the road, the Maybach cabin is designed to detach you from the outside world entirely. Here is a detailed breakdown of the interior of the 2026 SL680 Monogram Series. 1. The color palette, crystal white. Unlike other Mercedes models that offer dozens of interior colors, the Maybach SL680 is strictly curated. Manufacture. Crystal white Napa leather. Virtually every surface, from the dashboard and door panels to the center console, is swathed in this ultra-bright, sustainably tanned white leather. Microfiber headliner. Even the inside of the soft top is finished in a matching crystal white microfiber, ensuring that whether the top is up or down, the cabin feels airy and expansive. Silver chrome accents. To contrast the white leather, the trim elements and seat backrests are finished in a brilliant silver chrome, creating a cold, high-tech jewelry aesthetic. 2. Seating. A. Floral masterpiece. The seats are the centerpiece of the cabin, featuring a design exclusive to the Monogram series. The pattern, instead of the standard diamond quilting found in other Maybachs, these seats feature a new floral-inspired stitching pattern that flows across the cushions and backrests. Enhanced comfort. The seats include additional padding compared to the AMG SL, focusing on long-distance, boulevard cruising, rather than lateral support for racing. Maybach Signet. The double M logo is elegantly embossed into the headrests and embroidered onto the seat backrests. 3. Two-seater transformation. One of the most significant changes from the standard SL is the removal of the mostly useless rear 2+2 seats. Rear deck. In place of the back seats, Maybach has installed a beautifully sculpted rear deck. Leather-wrapped parcel shelf. This area is fully trimmed in crystal white leather and features the same floral stitching pattern, effectively turning the back of the car into a luxurious luggage shelf. Maybach aerodynamic scoops. Behind the headrests, aerodynamic double scoops add a speedster-like silhouette while reducing wind turbulence for occupants. 4. Technology and digital aesthetics. The SL680 uses the third-generation MBUX Mercedes-Benz user experience system, but with a Maybach skin. Tiltable 11.9-inch screen. The central touchscreen can be electronically tilted, from 12 degrees to 32 degrees, to prevent glare from the sun when the top is down. Maybach-specific graphics. The digital instrument cluster and central display feature exclusive startup animations and gold-accented, Maybach gauge styles. Biometric security. A fingerprint scanner is integrated into the dash to instantly load your personal seat, climate, and music profiles. 5. Luxury comfort features. AIRSCARF and climate control. The seats are heated, ventilated, and feature massagers. The AIRSCARF system blows warm air from the headrest to your neck, allowing for top-down driving in colder weather. Burmester 3D surround sound. A high-end audio system with Dolby Atmos comes standard, specifically tuned for the acoustic challenges of a convertible. Enhanced sound deadening. Maybach added significant amounts of insulation in the floorboards and wheel arches, along with a quiet-tuned exhaust system, to ensure the cabin remains a serene sanctuary, even at highway speeds. Key interior highlights feature detail. Material manufactured crystal white Napa leather. Stitching exclusive floral design. Seating 2-seater, rear seats removed for leather-wrapped deck. Audio Burmester high-end 3D surround sound. Steering wheel 2-tone wood leather with Maybach lettering. Floor mats high pile deep tuft luxury mats.